Hey guys, good morning. It's kind of early this morning. We're starting this vlog super early, but I'm at the shed and of course we're about to get some more work done. So I believe this is day 5, I think day 4 or day 5, something like that. We've gotten a lot done pretty much. When I left off, we were doing the insulation on the walls and we've gotten all of that done, thank God. Well, Carlos have gotten all of that done because I didn't really want to mess with the installation too much. But when it was getting late and we were getting tired, we were ready to go, I started doing some of the installation to help him, whatever, just cutting, and so he can put it on. But we still have a lot of work to do with the installation because we barely had enough, and we had already spent quite a bit of money on the installation that we did buy. So we had a whole crazy thing going on with the installation. We had to go back to the store, get a different size, and it was a lot, y'all. Like I've said, we are new to this. We've never done this before, so I mean, it's just kind of like trial and error. You just kind of see what works, and if it doesn't, you just do something else. But before I show y'all what the shed is looking like right now, I need y'all to go ahead and hit that like button for me. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and hit that bell so you are notified for every time we post a new video. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what the shed is looking like. Carlos is eating. He haven't ate this morning. We just kind of got up and came here, but this is what it's looking like. Gotten all the insulation in. I probably can hear the trees hitting the top, but yeah, a mess there. But yeah, this is the insulation. And yesterday we went and got some foam insulation for the roof. We've started putting that in. Last night we started it. We decided to go with foam insulation. Well, let me turn it. We decided to go with foam insulation just because it was a little bit more cost efficient, and it's the roof, so we just went with the cheapest best thing. And we've done some research, and a lot of people was using it. I read reviews. It wasn't bad reviews, and it was cheap. All we got was 3 panels. Was it 3? Yeah, 3 panels. And we cut it to fit it, and then we got some foil tape right there to kind of put where it didn't really fit. But for the most part, Carlos was cutting it pretty good, and it was able to just kind of like slide in. So we've been doing our thing in here. Today we're going to show y'all us finishing the top part of the insulation, and we might be able to shop for some dry water there. I don't know, it just all depends how everything goes. But just stay tuned to see what we got going on today and show y'all what we're doing. we're gonna have to make another run to Home Depot, because this right here is the last one we got, and we won't be able to finish with just that. So we need to do that, and then we also need to seal these little openings on the what is it, insulation where the pieces meet. So we still got quite a bit of work to do. Carl, I got you some tape right there. We still got quite a bit of work to do before we can get into the drywall. But I'm excited about that drywall. I'm just saying. That's one step closer to flooring, one step closer to painting, one step closer to being done. Whew. Okay guys, so we're in the Home Depot getting another one of these. And we actually just measured it and we sliced it. So it can kind of fit inside our car. We just use some of their stuff that they have just to like get it to where we need it to be. And we use like the edge of this and our knife and measuring tape to get the size that we needed. So I just wanted to show y'all really quick how we did it inside the store. But we're about to leave. All we needed was one more sheet. Show y'all the sheets. These are the ones that we use right here. And they are only, so it's only $12.94 each. And we're about to head out and go back to the shed to finish insulating the ceiling. And then tomorrow we're going to do the drywall. We were just looking at drywall and the stuff that we'll need for the drywall. So tomorrow we'll cover drywall. So I just want to show y'all real quick, but we're about to go back. Thank you. You got the knife? We're about to go ahead and leave out, and I'll catch y'all back inside the shed. I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog for the night, but I just wanted to show you that the ceiling, the roof part is done, and also the insulation around us is done. So in the next video, it's gonna be about drywall, applying drywall, and mudding. But let me go ahead and show y'all what we did. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Today we didn't do too much. I know we have a series of videos we have going on with getting the shed together to turn it into an office. But I'm hoping that you guys are still rocking with us, still sticking with us, and still watching these videos as we go along, because I'm sure the final product is going to be really nice. And it just goes to show you that just because you don't have any experience doesn't mean you can't do it. So I mean, just research and watch our videos, and you guys can do it too. Just stay tuned, stay sticking with us. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video for today. Go ahead and like the video for me if you enjoyed. Make sure you comment and tell me what you think about it. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll try to answer every last question that's dropped. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you on the next video. Toodles! Bye!